Hello and welcome to this short video about the notes section of your building passport. This is to add notes that aren't formal documents to your building passport. It allows multi-way communication with the other users to whom you have granted access to your building passport, be it temporary or permanent. This helps keep each other updated with any property developments and allows communication with contractors. For example, if a door in your house was broken or missing, you can note this here because in the event of a fire it could be significant information. Or a contractor could add a note about any significant changes they have made to a property each day, meaning you have a physical track of what progress was made during the period of work a contractor completed, and in what order these changes were carried out. For example, if you had had a contractor in to install a new gas tank, you could give them temporary access to your building passport and they could note when they had completed the work, any issues they ran into in the process, and another note when the gas safety certificate has been renewed. You would then upload the certificate under Documents. They could also upload the certificate, it doesn't matter who does it as long as it's done. To add a note, we're just going to click on the building passport we want to add a note for, and then scroll down to the Notes section, which is just here below Documents. If we click Add Note, this section pops up where we can select whether it's a general note or relating to a specific floor. Usually it will just be a general note, but you can select a floor if it just relates to one of them. I've selected General, and then we're just going to type our note in below. I'll say that there's a leak from the bath coming through a downstairs ceiling until repair on a certain date. Then you just press Add Note, and you'll see it show up in your notes section here. Once you've posted that, it's all done, and any other individuals to whom you've given access to your building passport will also be able to view your notes and add their own notes. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful. If you need assistance with setting up any other elements of your building passport, please check out our tutorial series on YouTube where you can find more videos.